Good morning, dear parents and students. We are at the most important stage of the academic year. We will be conducting annual assessment of our students for this academic session. So, dear students, don't take it as an exam. It's a platform provided to you to assess the knowledge you have gained throughout the year. And I'm very confident that you have put your best to gain the knowledge and develop yourself in spite of adverse situation of this academic session. I would like to give you some day before examination tips which will help you to give your best in the assessment. The first, practice all the revision worksheets provided. Our teachers have been provided you ample of worksheets, revision worksheets. Please go through all the worksheet because this is a really better way to prepare for the exam. Take self-test after every topic and every chapter and analyze your progress. Secondly, read all the questions carefully. You will be having 90 minutes assessment paper. Utilize 10 minutes for reading the question paper. Read the questions once or twice and mark the questions which you know very well. Make a right choice for right attempt. Tick the questions you know very well and remaining questions could be attempted later. Third, manage your time. This is where you need to be very strict because examinations are time bounded. Once you are assigned a time limit for a particular question, you must move on once you hit your answer. The later on you can re-attempt that question's remaining part. Remember to leave yourself some time at the end, at least 20 minutes of a time, to go back to your answers and to add little more notes where is required or to make a corrections where it is required. Now the fourth point, most important, is review your answers thoroughly. As I said, last 20 minutes are very crucial time because even the smart students can still make the mistakes in handing their answer book without checking through what they have written. And your answers, proofreading of your answers as much as you can to correct any spelling mistakes and add any extra comments which you are feeling it's needed more additional support for your answers. Dear students, you will be surprised what you cannot spot in those last few minutes. This is your last chance to throw in that quotation. List the relevant points and draw the quick diagrams. Now it's not time to drop your game. Show all the examiners what you are made of. So remember, the exam are not designed to trick you. Don't panic on the day of exam, or this brain freeze could mean that you get a lower grade that you truly deserve. So convince yourself that you know how to answer exam questions and you're almost there. So wishing you an ocean of good luck and success in your upcoming exams. May good luck follow you throughout the exams. I know great success shall be yours at the end of the day. I wish you a universe of luck as you begin your final exams from tomorrow. Thank you and God bless you.